draw a shape, click on the selection tool, hold the Alt key, and maybe drag it and draw a couple other shapes. Next, click on the type tool, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to make the type a little bit bigger. I'm going to hold the Alt key and drag it to another spot. So now I have 2 instances of type and 3 instances of the shape. I can select my shape and I can change the settings of, let's say, the color of the fill. Maybe I'm going to come over here to the properties. I can change the stroke thickness. Maybe I'll change the stroke color as well. So now that I have done that, let's say I decide to copy this to these other ones. I can select these shapes. I can grab the eyedropper tool. I click on this shape and it has matched the same color and fill and stroke color that you can see. Text, I can do the same thing. I can take my text. I can choose a font that I really want. I can choose the color of the font. And then I can go to the font that I want to apply it to. I select it. I grab the eyedropper tool and I select it to pull the properties from that over to this. Create 3 different objects that have the exact same properties and create 2 texts that have the same properties using the eye tool.